There has been a serious issue lately. People keep switching to Inverter heat pumps. Someone has been leaking secrets. So, everybody, tell me, what do you know about Inverter heat pump? Jack, you first.
Inverter heat pumps adjust compressor speeds with temperatures. They heating and cooling faster.
And save 30% energy compared to the on-off units.
I know, my dear Ling. Did you know the inverter heat pump is operates at a low level current?
They avoid huge power surges.
Okay, Jody. Did you know why? Because the on-off unit are fully on, fully off. That means you cannot control the temperature up and down. It means it even though can control the more accuracy.
Inverter heat pump is just the heat so fast and stay stable in the cold winter, even at the minus 28 degrees Celsius.
I know everything about the inverter heat
I know
pump.
more about the inverter heat pump, okay?
Alright, enough.
No, we will talk.
You talk too slow.
I can talk fast.
Another way to do that, actually.
You talk too much. You are too loud.
Well, finally, only I know all the secrets.